Gentlemen, it's your brother BOLO V&R, and we're here with another one, you know what I'm saying? All I ask is that you like and share the video. And if you want to donate to the platform, the donation link is pinned at the top of the comment section. It's the anonymous link. It's anonymous. Nobody got to know it's you. Your donation will be read out on the screen. It's a beautiful, beautiful Friday, November 8th. Yes, and it's 6 p.m. And we are live, ladies and gentlemen, on this Good Friday. We're here to talk about Andrew Holness' agenda exposed by Mr. Shuttleworth and much more in this one. Now, there's some news update that I want to go to first about Andrew Holness and his case. Fresh off press. It says here, judicial review verdict in Andrew Holness versus IC case set for December 6th. Let's read. The Prime Minister Andrew Holness will know on December 6th whether his request for leave to apply for judicial review of a damning report from the Integrity Commission will be granted. It says here the Supreme Court heard oral submissions from the attorney representatives representing Prime Minister Holness and the Commission on Thursday and Friday. The matter was held in chambers, which means the proceedings were not open to the public. I wonder why. Yo, they don't want us to get none of the content, boy. The report tabled in Parliament in September scrutinizes the Prime Minister's uncertified statutory declaration for the years 2021 to 2023 and raised questions about certain aspects of his financial affairs. However, the Commission's Director of Corruption Prosecution, Keisha Prince Kamika, concluded that no criminal charges should be brought against the Prime Minister, despite the Director of Investigation, Kevon Stevenson, ruling that he be charged for failing to disclose the existence of 4 bank accounts bearing his name. I thought he should have been charged too. It is the law, and therefore it should have been enforced. What that young lady did, Keisha Prince Kamika, very, very questionable in my opinion, and I got my eye on her. Yeah, from this point on, everything that she does, I'll be looking at her like this, with a side eye. I don't know about nobody else. I'm not telling nobody else what to do, but that's just me. Anyway, it says here, the Commission subsequently referred the matter to the Tax Administration Jamaica, TAJ, and the Financial Investigations Division, FID, for further investigation. However, the Prime Minister Holness has accused the Integrity Commission of procedural abuse and violating his constitutional rights.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit, bro.
However, Prime Minister Holness is represented by King's Counsel Georgia Gibson Helen, while the Integrity Commission legal team is led by King's Counsel Michael Hinton. Now that's what I'm talking about. Shout out to Michael Hilton, you heard? Yes. So, a lot of people don't know what this means, ladies and gentlemen. But, I mean, basically, he's asking the courts, which I want you guys to remember, that the DPP was added to that judicial body recently. After the IC report came out. Was not a part of it. I don't want anybody to forget that, because context matters. Right? Context matters. And I would love to know what you guys think about this. Our Prime Minister, the leader of this country, assets have not been declared, and the route that he takes is to bring the Integrity Commission that investigated him to court. He had no issues with the Integrity Commission until he was allegedly caught red-handed, with his hand in the cookie jar, so to speak. right? Allegedly, allegedly. And no well-thinking Jamaican can look at me and tell me after having read any of that document, well, the important parts anyway, having read any of that document, you're looking at me and saying to me, oh, this man is innocent? I think not. I think not. And like I said, he's trying to remove a clause within the Corruption Act that would pretty much destroy the entire act. That's pretty much what he would do. And if you don't believe me, go and watch Mystic Sensation breakdowns with Will Rattigan and Daisy. I strongly recommend that you guys go over there and check it out. But this is shameful. He rejects the report. I mean, and basically all his ministers of government rejects the report as well. What do you guys reject the report? Do you guys think Andrew Holness is innocent of the possibilities that this report implies or could yield after further investigation? Let me give you some of the examples. You got money laundering, possibly. You got tax invasion, possibly, and you also have illicit enrichment, meaning our tax dollars were somehow ciphered in these things, in these business practices, right? You have charities. He according to the report, him taking charity money to invest in a company for his own business, and then putting back the money. Like, there's so much things like unethical financial behavior. I mean, nepotism, having his business partner be a part of his office that he runs in the Prime Minister's office that has to deal with the development, real estate, and all of these things, and that person is actually in real estate and in business with Mr. Holness in real estate. Like, when you look at all of these things that the report has yielded, are you telling me that Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, is innocent? He's not guilty of nothing. What he stated here, he's saying that the IC is guilty of procedural abuse and violating his constitutional rights.
Hey, who man's is this? Oh, man's is this?
What is, hey man, listen.
Something not right, my wisdom warriors. Something is not right. Tell about them.
All lies will be exposed. That's all. And anyone who takes that the wrong way, know why they take it the wrong way.
The truth is the light. You know what I'm saying? The truth is the light. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. What do you think is going to happen December 6th? What do you think the judicial court is going to rule? With all you know and all that I've just outlined, what do you think is going to happen? Indulge me, storm the comment section, share the content. You already know what time it is, right? Yeah, let's get it.